U.S. stocks finished higher Thursday, turning positive after spending most of the session in the red, the Nasdaq falling as much as almost 1.5% at its lows. In the end, the Dow finished 0.25% higher, the S&P 500 finished up 0.4%, and the Nasdaq closed about flat. Kevin Mon is Chief Investment Officer at Hennion & Walsh Asset Management.
Investors have a lot to grapple with right now. They still have the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and the impact that that conflict is having on energy and agricultural commodity prices. We did see the yield curve invert last week, which has some investors fearing that a recession may be coming. But most importantly, that recession isn't imminent. In fact, on average, a recession doesn't start until 22 months after that yield curve inverts. And over the course of that time span, the stock market typically does pretty well.
Wall Street's late session rally was led by Microsoft and Tesla, which helped lift the S&P and bounced the Nasdaq back into positive territory. Shares of Pfizer jumped after the drug maker said it would buy privately held ReViral in a deal worth as much as $525 million, its second acquisition in less than 6 months. Also on a recent spending spree is Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, which revealed an 11% stake in HP, its third big investment in a month, suggesting the 91-year-old Oracle of Omaha believed there was still value to be found in the tech sector. Shares of HP finished up almost 15%. COSTCO jumped about 4% after reporting a surge in March sales. Shares of the wholesale retailer are up 15% in the past month. But it was a bad day for the major U.S. airlines as shares of American, Delta, Southwest, and United all lost altitude after Barclays warned of a recent jump in oil prices hurting first quarter earnings.